In the heart of northwest China, at the Zhuque-3 Satellite Launch Center, something remarkable just happened. On June 20th, 2025, Chinese private space company Landspace fired up the engines of its most ambitious project yet, the Zhuque-3 reusable rocket. In a flawless static fire test, 9 Tianke-12 engines roared to life, unleashing a staggering 7,542 kilonewtons of thrust for a full 45 seconds. This wasn't just another test, it was a bold statement, a signal that China's commercial space sector is stepping into the global arena with real force. The Zhuque-3, named after the mythical vermilion bird, is no ordinary rocket. Standing at around 66 meters tall and weighing 570 metric tons at launch, it's built to go head-to-head with some of the most advanced rockets in the world, like SpaceX's Falcon 9 and even the massive Starship. What sets it apart is not just its size or power, but the technology that drives it. The rocket is powered by methane and liquid oxygen, a fuel combination known as methalox. This cleaner, more efficient propellant is quickly becoming the gold standard for reusable rockets. Unlike traditional kerosene-based fuels, methalox burns cleaner, causes less engine wear, and allows for faster turnaround between launches. Only a handful of companies worldwide are pursuing this path, and Landspace is now proudly among them. But it doesn't stop there. Zhuque-3 is constructed using stainless steel, a decision that echoes SpaceX's own move with Starship. Stainless steel may be heavier than carbon composites, but it's tougher, more heat-resistant, and significantly cheaper. These qualities make it ideal for surviving the fiery rigors of atmospheric re-entry and for building rockets that can be reused again and again. This isn't Landspace's first try. Back in 2018, their Zhuque-1 launch ended in failure, but they learned, they evolved, and by July 2023, they successfully launched Zhuque-2, the world's first methane liquid oxygen rocket to reach orbit. Now, with Zhuque-3, they're taking a giant leap forward, not just for themselves, but for China's entire private aerospace industry. What makes this even more exciting is the competition heating up behind the scenes. Space Pioneer, another Chinese startup, is also pushing hard with reusable launchers. But with Zhuque-3's successful static fire and upcoming orbital launch in Q3 of this year, Landspace may just be taking the lead. In this first flight, Zhuque-3 will carry a prototype of the Haolong cargo spacecraft developed by the Chengdu Aircraft Design Institute. This mission won't just test reusability, it'll pave the way for a new generation of Chinese spacecraft systems and maybe even human-rated missions in the future. So why does all this matter? Because space is no longer just the realm of superpowers and billionaires. With rockets like Zhuque-3, the boundaries of possibility are being redrawn by engineers, innovators, and dreamers around the world, and China, through its dynamic private sector, is staking its claim in this bold new era of space exploration. If you found this breakdown fascinating and you want to keep up with the cutting edge of space tech from around the globe, then don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe icon, and drop a comment below telling us what you think about China's rising space ambitions.